Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best folding hand trucks that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Cosco Shifter 300 pound. This is the best hand truck in this category. There is a glowing report on the internet concerning this product. This product is available in a convenient design, which makes it very reliable. It has durable steel that can hold up to 300 pounds. This item is worth having it. We recommend this product for both business and home use. The manufacturer has manufactured it using 2 different colors. So, you should choose the one that suits your needs. The wheels are sturdy and easy for movement. Generally, the item fits on many car trucks when folded. You will have an easy time using it and reaping all the benefits it has to offer. You should consider having this item in your next shopping. Additionally, the manufacturer has offered a warranty for this item. You should buy it with confidence. At number 4. Harper Truck 700 lb. We have found out that this is a product has unique and excellent construction. Glass-filled nylon construction, make it very light compared to other steel hand trucks. The material used for the frame is durable and strong. Additionally, this item is delivered while assembled. Therefore, you do not have to do any assembling. The heavy-duty wheels used for easy movement will make you think of picking this truck. The glass-filled is chemical corrosion and it helps in keeping away the rust. Thus, you will not be buying another product soon. On the other hand, it converts easily for proper storage. This product has remained as unique in this category. Many people have bought this item for their different uses. We recommend this item for both homes, business, and office use. At number 3. Samsonite Luggage Compact. Finally, this product has accomplished a track of record due to its convenience. It is very easy to use and maintain compared to other products. The material used is lightweight and durable for long-lasting. On the other hand, it has an adjustable strap. You can adjust to the desired height easily. It is commonly used in business areas for transporting boxes or parcels. The maximum weight that it can hold is 32 kilograms or 70 pounds. The wheels are oversized for easy using. After using, you can easily fold it for easy storage. Typically, it won't consume much of your storage space. Consider buying this item and reap all the benefits it has to offer. At number 2. Mecate Enhanced Stair. If you are here and you have not yet made up your mind, then we recommend this item for you. Typically, it is known as the climbing cart. This is because the manufacturer has designed this item using 3 rotating wheels. It is very effective on the stairs. The unique thing about this product is that it has a high weight capacity of 460 pounds. Nevertheless, it can hold another additional weight of 225 pounds. The frame that is used in manufacturing is durable and long-lasting. The manufacturer has designed various handling position when climbing the stairs. There is a glowing report online about this item. Many users have discussed it as the best in this category. This item should top your list in the next shopping. At number 1. Magnacart Personal 150. You might be looking for an affordable and simple-to-use hand truck. This is what you should consider having. To start with, this item has a height adjustment feature. Therefore, you can adjust to the desired height. The wheels are made from a sturdy material and are effective when pulling the load. Typically, you can consider having it in your home, office, or during recreation activity. The in-between metal helps in balancing the weight and does not shake. You can collapse it easily for storage. It does not consume much of the storage space. Consider having this simple truck and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer. The handles are designed using the anti-slippery feature. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.